Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find the battery. Let's tap on it. Here we've got the option battery percentage, so just tap on the switcher and your device will immediately display the percentage next to the battery icon. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again, and unfortunately this is the only way to show the battery percentage. So for example, we cannot show it inside the battery icon. It is due to the limitations connected with the battery style. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.